Thank you for joining us today for our training video on how to transfer your license. In this demonstration, we will be using CodeSoft. However, the method is still the same for each label design product. The first step in this process is go to Start, All Apps, click a letter there or number, and I'm going to go to T for TEKLYNX. So you'll see here the TEKLYNX CodeSoft folder is there. Click the folder, you'll see the CodeSoft License Manager. I'll open that up. As we can see here, we have an active license. I'm going to click Transfer Software License. You'll notice it will say you will no longer be use this software on this machine. Do you want to continue? I'll click OK. And now the license is off this computer. Now I'm on my new computer where I want to activate CodeSoft. I'm going to go back to Start, All Apps, click a letter or number, and go to T for TEKLYNX. Find the TEKLYNX CodeSoft folder and the CodeSoft License Manager. Click the Activate button and type in my serial number and password. Click Next. At this screen, you're able to change the contact information if needed. And click Next. And as we can see, we have 30 days left and the license is now active. Click Finish. Just to verify, I'm going to open the software itself and make sure that we are in fact active. As you can see here, we are licensed. I'm just going to go to Help and About. Make sure of that, and I see my license here, and we're all set. Thank you for joining us for today's training video on how to transfer a license.